Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting parts and assembling the first circuit immediately. Place the LDR and 10K ohmega resistor as a divider so you get a variable voltage at the midpoint. Once done, feed that midpoint into the transistor base through a 1K ohmega resistor to protect it. The emitter goes to ground. Then wire the collector to the LED and series resistor to 5V. Make sure power polarity is correct and connections are snug so the circuit responds to light changes. Once the basic switching works, calibrate the trigger threshold so the night light activates at the right darkness. Install a 10K potentiometer in place of the fixed resistor or in series to vary the divider voltage. That lets you fine-tune sensitivity. If you need clean on/off behavior, add an LM358 comparator and a small feedback resistor for hysteresis to prevent flicker. Then test in bright and dark environments, watching base voltage and turning the pot until the LED toggles exactly where you want it. Finish by packaging the circuit into an enclosure and positioning the LDR so it senses ambient light, not the LED. Add a 0.1 μF decoupling capacitor across power rails and a larger 10 μF electrolytic to smooth supply variations. This prevents false triggering. If the light flickers or never switches, inspect wiring and solder joints, then replace the transistor or LDR to isolate faults. One key troubleshooting tip: add or increase hysteresis in the comparator stage to stop bouncing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.